Right, so I'm going to show you how to connect your Vitron Smart TV to your phone's hotspot. So this is very simple. First of all, go to your phone and turn on your mobile hotspot. And this works for both iPhone and Android. Now, one thing you want to do is maximize compatibility for your hotspot, especially if you're using an iPhone. If you turn this off, then it's better Wi-Fi hotspot connectivity, but it's not going to be compatible with most devices. So make sure you turn this maximize compatibility button on. Now, once you do that, then you can simply flick left all the way to this left-hand side panel and then go to settings, select that, and then under settings, select network. Make sure wireless is highlighted at the top there, and then scroll down and select wireless. Now, your iPhones or your phone's hotspot should appear among the Wi-Fi connections. So select it, type in the password, and once you press enter or the check mark, you get connected to your phone's hotspot. It's really that simple, and you can use that as your source of internet connection for your TV. Thanks for watching and good luck.